Alright, we are back with the deluxe box. Oh, I forgot to undo the seal. I don't know if this mirror is gonna cut it. Nah, risky business, bro, using the mirror. By the way, this came from the Supreme box. If you haven't watched that unboxing, go ahead and watch it. I love this thing, it's so cute. Anyway, I'm just gonna use my eyelash curler as a knife. Don't mind me. So, I hope everybody had a happy, safe Halloween. I went to work, and then we got out early, so that's exciting because I was waiting to get to these boxes. And I'm gonna take this crown off because it's hurting me. Alright, so by the way, I got the Supreme box, the deluxe box, which is this one here, and I got 6 of the $6 mystery treats. Now, sorry, we do have 2 camera angles, as you can tell. I love this purple tissue paper. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so, by the way, I probably have the palette in here. Actually, I already see it. It's the Weirdo palette. I definitely have it. In fact, I think I have 3 of them right now. I meant to mail 2 of them out to friends, but I never did. And they're still unopened, just waiting to be mailed out. I know who, if they don't have this, I know who I'm gonna give this one to, but I'll go ahead and show it at least. So here's the Weirdo palette. I love this palette. The silver in here, no joke, is so good. And somebody linked a video. What is that dot? I don't know, but it's gone now. Or I will link a video of somebody who did an unboxing and swatched it, because that silver is seriously no freaking joke. But yeah, this palette is one of my very favorite palettes currently, especially for this spooky season. But like I said, I know who I'll be giving this one to. I'm never upset about duplicates, because if I don't have somebody I can give it to for like the holidays, then I'll never mind throwing it into a giveaway. So it looks like we have Spooky Makeover and Wrong Turn, and this is the Halloween packaging. Spooky Makeover and Long Term. These look like shades that I am going to freaking love. So we'll shake it well before use. Okay. So there's Spooky Makeover. Yeah, perfect shade for me. I'm probably gonna wear the hell out of that shade. And then here is Wrong Turn. Hi, Sparko. Sorry if you can hear Sparko in the background. He's a wild kitty. Okay, so here is Wrong Turn, and it's a really pretty, like, gray plum. I don't know, super pretty. These 2 colors are really pretty together. It's a little more purple than what you're seeing on the camera. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. But yeah, super beautiful shades. Man, just so good. Those are definitely Jessica shades if I have ever seen any. Okay, next we have Red Rum, which I don't believe I have this one. Let me check. Yeah, I don't have this one, at least not in the full size. I love reds, so I'm always happy to get another red in my collection. That is so pretty. That is super stunning. Man, I'm excited to have that. Okay, Next we have Deceased. Man, am I excited about this one. It probably matches what my lips look like right now, to be honest. Let's see. No, it's brighter. I mean, lighter. This is pretty, though. Oh, man. Seems very similar to the Gravedigger Velvet Trap lipstick, which I have. I don't have it in here, though. But there's that. That's so pretty. Would it look good on me? I don't know. I don't know if that'll look good. It probably will. I don't know. It's pretty though. Can't complain. Some Jeffree Star mid-calf socks. I hope these fit me. I have pretty big calves, so I mean, I hope they fit me, but if they don't, then probably my boyfriend could wear them. They look comfortable and warm. Yeah, soft. Okay. Oh my god, there's more. Okay. Let's get these out of the way. These are the single eyeshadows. Grand Prismatic, which I think I might have just gotten this in the Supreme box. Cone, which is just a nice tan shade. Only Child, which is a brown. Cherry Wet, which is a strawberry. Maybe a little more berry toned. Crocodile Tears, which is a beautiful green shade. And then Weirdo. So those are really pretty. I'm never upset about getting single shadows. There's 6 of them here. I think of it as like a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. Like, I'm not upset about it at all. I honestly dig the fact that they throw these in there. Next we have 2 eyeglosses. This one's in Crystal Joint. I'm just digging in, guys. I'm just digging in. Okay. And dropping it. I'm digging in and dropping it. Oh my gosh. Don't mind me just destroying the packaging. So here's what it looks like. The lid is loose already, but that's okay. So, oh my gosh, I didn't even notice, but there's like tiny little stars all the way around the packaging. Anyway, yeah, these are good. This seems like it's going to be very much just like a topper. Where the other one from the Supreme box, you really can't even see that. Hang on. Here it is on my finger. Here it is. The one from the Supreme box was a little bit more pigmented. I don't know. Like, I hope you guys can see. It's right here. I don't know. It's basically just glitter. I don't know if I'm as impressed with this one as I am the one that we got in the Supreme box. Oh, let me put that thing back in. Okay, there we go. I am excited to try it out, see how I like it. Alright, and then we have Wyoming Window. Alright, which is a beautiful brown shade. Pretty. Ooh, that's nice. That feels good too. See, that one's like so much more pigmented. I don't really know how to describe the color. Kind of like milk chocolate with some sparkle in it. But yeah, it's pretty. I am super excited for those. Okay. Oops, forgot to put the little thingy on. Yeah, I've been waiting for these eyeglasses just because they remind me so much of these other formulas I love, like oh my, I just bumped my light, sorry. But these guys, these L'Oreal Infallible shadows like this and this Hard Candy Fierce Effects. These came out years ago and they are like my holy grail single shadows. I love them. So when I seen these eyeglosses, they remind me so much of those, and I'm just super excited for them. Alright, so many swatches. Okay, what else do we have in here? Another mascara. Sorry, the Supreme one had a mascara too. This is Jeffree Star approved. This formula gives you drama. So here is the packaging. Super cute. I'm really excited. I'm always excited to get mascaras. I'm not gonna open this one yet because I have so many mascaras open right now, but I honestly cannot wait to try his mascaras. The packaging is so freaking adorable. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay. Alright, there's 3 more items in here. Here is another velour liquid lipstick. This is in Designer Blood. I don't have this one. This looks right up my alley though. Yeah. That's really pretty. It's like a deep red, where the red we swatched earlier was like a bright red. This one is a deep red. So pretty. And then we do have the Velvet Trap in Gravedigger, and I love this lipstick, so I honestly don't mind having a second one. But here's what it looks like. It's a nice gray lipstick. It's seriously one of my favorite. Actually, yeah, it's one of my favorite lipsticks that I own. I don't know, I love it, and I think it looks good, especially with the right look. Like, it's so good. So I'm excited to have another one of these. Not even as like in a backup. Most likely, I'll just have it in a different spot than my other one because I use it that frequently. Alright, and then here is the last item. Which is so cool. It is a little hatchet wristlet. It's so cute. I have no idea if I will ever take this anywhere with me, to be 100% honest. But oh my god, there's a little pocket in here too. I didn't even know that. It's like there's a little, did you see that? A little pocket? That's so cute. But yeah, here's what it looks like. It's beautiful. This is stunning. It's so exciting. I love this. I need to figure out like when to use it, how to use it, where to use it. Like, I just need it to be in my life. And honestly, it probably could be. I'm not a purse gal. This is kind of perfect for somebody who's not a purse gal. But also, like, I don't want people to be freaked out that I'm carrying a hatchet with me everywhere. But this is adorable. I love it. Okay. So, dang it, I forgot to take a picture of the freaking box. That's okay. Oh my goodness. So just a recap of everything that we got. We got the hatchet wristlet wallet thing. We got the Deceased Velour Liquid Lipstick. We got Wrong Turn and Spooky Makeover minis. We got Red Rum. We got this pair of socks. We got Wyoming Window eyegloss. We got Crystal Joints eyegloss. We got Grave Digger lipstick. And then we got, this lid is loose, Designer Blood. And the Weirdo palette. That's everything, right? Oh, sorry, and the mascara. And that's everything that we got. Man, I'm so, oh, and the single eyeshadows. Where did they go? Where did I put them? Oh, here they are. Here they are. Okay. Oops. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Well, you can sit there, I guess. Alright, let's get a photo. Alrighty. Perfect. Alright. Anyway, so yeah, that's everything we got in this box. Honestly, for me, definitely well worth the money. The only duplicate I got 2 duplicates. Like, that's already in my collection. Not that I got 2 of them in the box, but already in my collection is Grave Digger, the lipstick, and then Weirdo, the palette. And I'm not upset about getting either of them. Grave Digger, I am happy to have another one. And then the Weirdo palette, I know exactly who to give that to. So I'm not upset at all about that. Alright. So in the next video, I'll be doing the mystery treats. So feel free to watch that one. But thank you for watching this one. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!